Hi, this is Bobby Hester. In this clip we're going to be discussing making 90-degree perfectly square cuts with a miter saw. The great thing about a miter saw is that time and time again, if you have this saw set to 0, you're going to be cutting perfect 90s as long as your material is firmly against the back fence and that your material is straight. Let's go ahead and cut a piece right now. And there you have it. That's a perfect 90-degree cut. Let's say that this is a piece of base that we're trying to install, let's say in the kitchen. And we'll say that this is the cabinet that we're trying to butt up against. And you can see that we get a perfect joint right there. But things are not always perfect. Let's say that this cabinet is slightly out of square a little bit. Well, you can see that I have a gap right up the top. It's about an 1/8 inch gap. So what I'll need to do is I'll need to adjust my piece of trim that's going into this cabinet. And what I'll do is, being that there's a gap at the top, if I cut it at the bottom, cut the same amount that's at the top, that'll allow me to have a perfect match. So what I'm going to do is cut 1/8 to nothing with the saw. So let me get my pencil out and we'll mark an 1/8 inch. If you need to use a tape, that's fine. I've done this a lot, so I can really kind of judge an 1/8 by my eye. And what I'll do is I'll slightly just move the saw out of square. That's about 1.5 degrees right there. It doesn't take much. And if you've got a sliding saw, it's really great because you can work the saw back and forth and you can see where it hits at the back. You want it to hit right at the edge of the back where it's really not cutting any material. And at the front, you want it to take that 1/8 out. So I'm seeing that I need to adjust just a little bit less, so I'm going to go about a 1 degree, and that looks about right, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that. And then if we bring it back up to our cabinet, it's perfectly square now.